बिरेस्ताराक गोंय प्रदूषण महामंडळ आनी कुंकळे उद्योगीक वसणुकेच्या संघटनेन कुंकळे आयडीसीतलो प्रदूषणाचो प्रस्न सुटावो करपा खातीर बसका घेतली। फिश मिल्स प्रकल्पांतले घाणयारे उदक न्हंयांनी आनी व्हाळांत सोडटा, ताका लागून प्रदूषण जाता। देखून हे घाणयाऱ्या उदक शुद्धीकरण करून स्टील कारखान्याक उपेग करतले, जेणे करून प्रदूषणाचो प्रस्न बेगोबेग सुटावो जातलो, अशें कुंकळे आयडीसीच्या संघटनेचे अध्यक्ष अभय केणी हांणी सांगले।
Rectify what is happening and try to understand this. The Chief Minister called of our Goa and both Environmental Minister called on Goa State Pollution Control Board as well as MD of IDC to address this issue and sort out the problems. Okay. Naturally, they had a brainstorming session with us, especially I being the president of the association, and it was decided that we will try to use this water for some good purpose. Idea was to save also water because water is a precious commodity today. And our villagers are shouting that we are wasting the water. The same villagers also supply the water to industries and do their daily good. Okay? But anyway, we have to do a balance between the two. We cannot go on just like that, right? So, what was decided earlier that we will use the treated water, semi-treated water, for plantation purpose. The aim was that we will serve two purposes. One, we will provide a green forest cover to our Cuncolim industrial estate. So accordingly, this year itself, we have planted around 5,000 trees